You start building the website. Halfway through, the client says, "That's not what we expected." But that's not a design problem. That's an expectation problem. In this video, you'll learn how to set scope, roles, deadlines, and success criteria clearly at the start of a website launch project. Stay until the end and practice the key phrases with me. Let's practice setting expectations clearly at the start of a website launch project.
Stay with us till the end and you'll feel much more confident using these sentences at work.
Harry and I are kicking off a new project, a corporate website redesign for a client. Before design or development begins, we need clarity. Let's see how we set expectations professionally. All right, Harry, before we start wireframes, I'd like us to align on expectations for this website project.
Good idea. Better to clarify everything now than adjust later.
Exactly. Let's begin with scope. From your understanding, what are we delivering?
A redesigned corporate website, around 10 pages, responsive design for desktop and mobile.
Correct. Are we also responsible for content writing?
I believe the client is providing the content.
Yes, but with revisions, we'll refine tone and structure, but we're not creating content from scratch. Let's state that clearly, so there's no confusion later.
Agreed. That should be documented.
What about SEO optimization? Is that included?
Basic on-page SEO, yes. Advanced SEO strategy, no.
Exactly. So to clarify, we include technical SEO setups, meta tags, page speed, structure, but we're not responsible for long-term ranking strategy.
That distinction is important.
Very. Scope creep usually starts when boundaries are vague. Now let's talk timeline. The client expects launch in 6 weeks. Does that feel realistic?
It's possible, but only if we receive feedback quickly.
What does quickly mean in measurable terms?
Within 2 business days per revision cycle.
Good. Then let's define it clearly. We commit to a 6-week launch, assuming client feedback is provided within 2 business days at each milestone.
That protects the deadline from external delays.
Exactly. Deadlines without conditions create pressure without clarity. Quick question. Have you ever had a deadline that sounded clear, but no one defined the assumptions behind it? That's where stress begins. Let's continue. Now, ownership. Who leads design direction?
I'll lead visual design and user experience.
And development.
I'll coordinate with the development team, but I won't handle coding directly.
Good clarification. And client communication?
You'll handle strategic conversations. I'll join technical discussions if needed.
Exactly. So to summarize, you own design leadership and internal coordination. I own client alignment and escalation. Does that reflect your understanding?
Yes, that's clear.
Let's define success criteria. What would make this launch successful?
On-time launch, smooth user experience, no critical bugs.
Good start. Let's make it more specific. On time means within 6 weeks.
Agreed.
Smooth user experience means mobile responsiveness and loading speed under 3 seconds.
That's measurable.
And no critical bugs means no issues affecting navigation or checkout functionality.
Now we have objective standards.
Exactly. If expectations aren't measurable, they become subjective opinions.
How often should we update the client?
Weekly progress updates. Milestone review calls every 2 weeks.
And if there's a delay?
Immediate communication. We don't wait until the next scheduled meeting to surface a risk.
Understood. Transparency builds trust.
If a major issue appears, for example, unexpected technical limitations, what's your process?
I would evaluate impact first, then propose alternative solutions before escalating.
Good. I prefer that we escalate with options, not just problems.
Understood.
Now, let's practice. Listen first, then repeat each sentence after me. Before we begin, let's align on expectations. To clarify, our scope includes. Does that reflect your understanding? Let me summarize to ensure alignment. Are we making any assumptions we should state explicitly? Practice these phrases. They will make you sound structured and professional in any project discussion. Great job! Clear expectations create confident execution. When scope, ownership, and success are defined early, projects move faster and relationships stay strong. Come back later and shadow this video again. And if you want to speak more professionally at work, subscribe for more daily workplace English. See you in the next lesson.